What's up, everybody? Good morning. Happy Thursday. All right. Let's see what's going on. Obviously, we had a massive drop to the downside, and we're still going down. Let's see. Good morning. Welcome back to Trading with David 305. Let's see what we got going on today. We're back in the green. Today we're gonna go very light to maintain this win. We're gonna just trade the eval. ATR is currently 35 pre-market. That's very high. And yeah, I'm just gonna trade this account right here, as you see, Lucid. We're up 480. Yesterday we hit a banger and got out of the hole and some. All right, so first things first, let's see if there's any news. Well, that's not news. Wait. My bad. Hold up. It's probably here. Oh, yeah. Okay. There was news at 8:30. So that was positive, and the market dumped. So we got an orange folder at 10 a.m. New home sales. That's about it. That's not really gonna move the market much, at least not the NASDAQ. Should probably log into this. This is the eval on Tradeovate. Did you guys roll forward your contracts? You should probably do that if you haven't already. You're not gonna get much volume. All right, so this is the eval. It's a 50K eval, and we have it at 66,000 already. It's ridiculous. I'm just trying to get the consistency down from that crazy day we won like 2.5 weeks ago. All right, so if you've never joined the stream before, if the market is going to be pumping and we're in a trade, you'll probably hear Green Giant. And if the market is dumping, you're probably going to hear Tactical Nuke Incoming! All right. So let's see what we got. We're going to mark out some levels here. Let's look at this 1 hour just a little farther back. Looks like it kind of did a sweep of this previous day right here, so might get a pop up. Might get a pop up. All right. Well, I'm gonna mark out some levels here. This I'm gonna move to the London high. Yeah, it looks like all the prior lows were taken out. There's not much else. Might have to put more data here to go farther back. Definitely more than that. Let's do 30. All right, so we loaded 30 days there. All right, the next low would be down here. I'm gonna mark that. All right, so that's another low that it could be headed towards, and that is at 24,213. That's a previous low from March, the beginning of March. I think it's March 8th. If I'm not covered, yeah. There's a support pivot right here, so let's see what happens. Let's see where the Asia high is. Yeah, it looks like the Asia high is right here. Asia high is 24,724. And then we got the New York high from yesterday, way up there. Look at the orb from yesterday, and we took the short right here. I know it looks really small because I have it super zoomed out, but yeah, it came right back up, chopped a little bit, went down, came back up, then it eventually dropped about, looks like around 2 o'clock it flushed finally down here. Interesting. So right now we're kind of looking for shorts. ATR is 35, guys. 35. All right, let's get a little closer. I'm gonna mark out a line here of this low, because it usually will come back up, retest, and see if it wants to go back up or continue going lower. This low right here, this swing low, so usually it might want to retest that and then continue, or completely inverse it. So that's why I'm marking it out here on the 1 hour. Let's see what happens. All right. I'm gonna mark out the current London low. It's probably gonna sweep it, most likely, since it is showing some bearish direction overall. All right, let's see what happens, guys. Let's see what happens. We're gonna wait until that 9:30 open, and then wait 15 more minutes for the opening range to be set, and then we're gonna wait for a breakout. Obviously, right now, what we're looking for is shorts. Overall trend is bearish. We're under all the EMAs and VWAP. So we want to see some sort of like a pullback during New York Open. Tap maybe one of the EMAs or VWAP, and then completely reject to the downside. So we want to see a up and then a strong wick down and a hammer. That's what we want to see. Hammer time. All right, so I marked out the London low. It's probably gonna get swept, but gotta be careful. We got 24,408 there on the London low. I already marked out the London high, and we also got Asia high. So let's see what happens. We have ES over here. Let's see how ES works. All right. All right, we still got like 15 more minutes till the New York Stock Exchange opens. So just stay tuned, guys. It'll get more exciting, I promise. Do you guys think this thing's going straight under or what? Is it gonna dump? Yeah, we're gonna go light today. ATR is 33. That means when the market opens, probably gonna jump up to 40s, 50s pretty quickly. A lot of news yesterday. FOMC rates stayed the same. They're at 3.75, so left everything unchanged. Market dumped on that news. They wanted to hear some dovish or hawkish sentiment. Or was it dovish? Dovish, right? Good morning. Good morning, Sound Engineering. How are you? Let's see if we catch another short today. I think the shorts are in play as of right now, unless this thing rips all the way back up here. I don't see a long play yet. I did mark out London low, but it looks like it already tapped it, so I don't know. Maybe that was a sweep there. Nah, I don't think so, but we'll see. Overall trend is bearish, guys. Overall trend is bearish. EMAs are all above. We got VWAP above. So as long as we're under all of that, I'm honestly looking for a pullback and continuation to the downside. How low can it go? There's another low down here that I marked on the 1 hour time frame. Obviously we have this pivot here, so there could be some support. Might be why it's popping, maybe. We'll see. We just have to keep an eye on it. Let me look at the other time frames. There we go. Oh shit. My bad. Yeah, 4 hour time frame is very bearish. Bearish meaning going down. Good news is it's not raining in South Florida anymore. It's been raining for like 2 days straight. So, good morning, Lauren. Good morning. Shorts are in play. Shorts are in play. Not right now. Obviously, we're getting a nice pump to retest the EMAs and VWAP. Unless we get a strong V-shaped recovery. Not really looking for longs. I really would want to see it close way up here for me to look for some sort of long, a little pullback, and then a continuation. That would be woof, picture perfect. Little long, it'll inverse here, little pullback. That would be picture perfect. Let's see what happens. Market opens in 10 minutes, guys. 10 minutes. 10 minutos. All right, let's see. Let's see what happens today. I'm going in very light today since I'm already green. Again, the only thing we can control, guys, is our risk and if we take a trade or not. That's it. So I'm only gonna trade the eval. I am green on the week after being red, and I'm not gonna blow it just because I wanted a lot more. Looks like we're having a rejection there off EMA 21 on the 5-minute time frame. EMA 21, the last 21 candles. Moving average. Strong push down. There's your EMA 21. We got super trend and EMA 50. We have VWAP right here. Let's see what happens. Yeah, for me to look for any kind of longs, I need to see some close green candles up here. I want to see something green all the way up here, because if not, look at the overall trend, guys. It's bearish. We don't want to fight the trend unless we get a change of character, and that's gonna take a lot of pump, which is possible because we're pretty low, guys. So it's not impossible that it could rip all the way up. Just gotta time it right. Looks like a sweep. Looks like it tapped EMA 21, completely getting pushed down again. I marked out a previous low, swing low. That's this right here. So once it gets to this level, 24,213, just beware. It could be a pop up because it is an old swing low, as you can see there. All right. We got about 6 minutes. 6 minutes until the market opens. Stay tuned. $24,213 is this right here. Good morning, Danny. Good morning. Welcome back. Let's see. We're almost there. We're almost ready. 5 more minutes until the stock exchange opens, guys. And there's my timer. 5 more minutes. All right. All right, let's go. 4 minutes. Looks like it tapped EMA 21 here and completely rejected. The overall trend is bearish, guys. Overall trend is bearish, so we're currently looking for shorts. Currently. Tried to go up, completely rejected. This could continue going lower. I do not take a trade at the open, so I'm just gonna wait for the first 15 minutes. You guys do what you like. I'm only trading the eval today. ATR is currently at 40 already, pre-market. So that means it's gonna jump to 50, 60. It's just gonna be very volatile today, guys. So just prepare yourself and risk accordingly if you do trade. I'm not trying to give up the profits from yesterday that were pretty difficult to get back. So we are green on the week. I'm not copy trading this funded account. We're only going to do the eval, and I'm probably only doing 1 micro with this kind of ATR. But I'm going to look for the best move possible, guys, of course. All right, 3 minutes. 3 minutes, the market opens. All right, so honestly, my whole thing is I think it's gonna dump. That's just my opinion. I think it's gonna continue dumping.
Tactical nuke incoming!
Yeah, it's definitely gonna go under. It's gonna keep dumping. I marked this low down here. I'm pretty sure it wants to get there too. Sweep that and then maybe start. Let's see what happens, guys. Got a minute and 20 seconds left until the market opens, so stay ready. That's a good yeah, no, that would be ideal. Want to see a nice pump, retest EMA 50, maybe VWAP, and then completely start dumping again. But I feel like it kind of did that already, guys. Like, I don't know, it did this pump and it completely rejected right here off EMA 21. So we'll see. Market opens in 37 seconds, guys. But it looks like it's going back up to retest EMA. Maybe. We'll see. We'll see what happens, guys. We do not predict. We just react. All right. Here we go. New York open. Eight, 7, 6, 5. There goes the dump. 1. All right, there's the dump. And is it going for that low that I put down here? There's a support pivot here, so let's see if it just rips right through that. Don't chase, guys. Don't chase. As you know that the New York Open, 1 second it's ripping to the downside and it'll just flip right up and go 300 points up. So just stay tuned. Yeah, it tapped that support pivot. Let's see. Let's see if it smashes through it. It's obviously trying to respect it more or less. Okay. Could be completely disrespecting it. Who knows? The next support pivot is down here, 24,146. Let's see if it continues. I just want you guys to know on the 4-hour time frame, there's no wick at the top of this red candle. So let's see. My sister's ordering Dunkin' Donuts. Anyways, let's focus. This thing is dumping here. Yeah, actually on the 15-minute time frame, there's no wick on the top either. So if you pull up the 15-minute time frame, no top wick, guys. Sorry, let me fix that. No top wick. So might want to rip up. I know there was a huge wick here, rejection, and then completely down. But if it comes right back up, it's super undecided, guys. Let's go back to the 1 hour time frame. Let's see what happens. All right, it's only been 5 minutes, guys. Relax. I know you guys are all excited to take a trade, but the key here is patience. That's how you stay profitable. We're not gamblers. Wait for the setup to come to you. Don't worry, the market almost always gives an opportunity. Just gotta be patient. How long did we wait yesterday? We waited like a whole hour watching the thing go sideways until it said, okay, here you go. So it's about patience, guys. All right, first 5 minutes. We still got 10 more minutes. Let's see what happens. I'm gonna make this stuff a little bigger for you guys. ATR is currently at 44. 44, guys. That's a lot. That's a lot. And it's getting bigger. Yeah, let's see.
Bruh.
Regular milk.
He needs some milk.
All right, NASDAQ, what do you want to do? Do you want to go lower or higher? Again, I did mark out this previous low and might want to sweep that before it rips to the upside, guys. So just be careful. That should be a target. If it doesn't get down here by the time orb is set, that could be the target. Just so you guys know, that target is 24,213. All right, that could be a target because it looks like if it taps that, there could be a sweep and then a pop up. Yeah. Alrighty. ATR is out of hand. Let's see what ES is doing. The S&P 500. Looks like it's a little bit stronger. It also rejected off EMA 21. And it's also going down. But it hasn't tapped the support pivot. So that's interesting. Here we already completely ripped through a support pivot. Here we haven't got there yet. So interesting stuff. Oh my goodness. Okay. We're looking at ES. Let me level that out for you. Sorry if it was blocking. Patience, guys. Patience is what pays. Sometimes you just gotta wait around. I know it's a little awkward, but all right. 10 minutes set. 5 more minutes until the orb is set. Get ready, guys. We're getting closer. Getting closer. Let's see the 1 hour here. It's respecting that support pivot. Might chop a little bit again. We'll see. Overall trend is bearish, guys. So we're looking for some kind of retest of the EMAs and then for a sign for it to go lower. That is the ideal move, just because the overall trend is to the downside. If that makes sense for you guys. ATR is currently at 47 on the 5-minute time frame. That is the average true range. Average trading range. Oh, yeah. All right. Yeah, I need that coffee. I need that coffee.
One hour later.
This thing is slow as molasses sometimes, man. For y'all who took that short at open, you're getting squeezed now because you're not patient. So this is what happens, you know?
Stop it. Get some help.
Gotta be patient, guys. Gotta be patient. Now you're getting squeezed because you thought it was going short. Gotta wait for the pop, man. Wait for the pop. Wait for it to show you. It rejects the upside and then take the down. The moment it shows you it wants to go down. All right, about 3 minutes. We're gonna have the 15-minute orb set, guys. Oh man. Let's see how this goes today. 2 minutes and 30 seconds. I'm gonna kind of mark out the orb already on my other screen here. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens here. Kind of getting a little inversion there. It's tapping EMA 21. Might want to go to EMA 50 this time. Tapped it before, or maybe it'll reject again. We'll see. Maybe it will reject again. Let's see. Overall trend is bearish, guys. All right, we got about a minute left. I'm gonna switch to ES here. We're gonna mark the orb on ES also. Okay. Let's do this. We might have to adjust it. This thing is ripping. Woo! Yep, it's ripping. Looks like a shooting star on the 15-minute time frame. If you guys have that pulled up, you'll see a shooting star on the 15-minute time frame. So gotta be careful, guys. Could be a sweep. This could be a complete rip. So all right, so I think that little pump got 20 something seconds. I think that's the 15-minute orb right there. All right, literally tapped EMA 21 and completely to the downside, but it did inverse this on the 5 minutes, so we might get a little more rip to the upside. It might break out, but honestly, guys, I'm not gonna take a breakout to the into orb. I'm sorry, I'm not gonna take out a breakout into VWAP. This usually doesn't work too well. I'm gonna set the orb on the ES here too. So yeah, we're down here. Okay, orb is set. There we go. A little better. Let's see. I'm going to make this just a little wider in case this thing takes a little longer. All right, there we go. I gotta fix this because it kind of pumped a little bit. There we go. It's kind of in a tricky spot there, but overall we want to look for shorts, guys. So even if it breaks to the upside, we're not taking a long unless we are way above VWAP, and we're gonna have to wait for a pullback or a retest or something. Okay, it's gonna be really tough if it goes up. If you guys want to know, ATR's at 50 almost, 49 point something. 50, guys. I'm doing one micro. I'm doing an eval. I'm not gonna mess around and find out today. All right. But if it does go short, I mean, I'm gonna take the short confidently. Let's see. Retesting EMA 21 again. As you can see, it is constantly rejecting every time. Rejection. Tapped here. Pulled down. This closes in 2 minutes and 30 seconds, more or less. Let's see how this candle goes. If it's going to go up, is it going to retest EMA 50? Or is it going to now start flushing? This is the ES. This is S&P 500. So we're trying to get a good confluence. So if this one breaks to the downside, there is a support pivot here. So got to be careful. No support pivot. Well, the support pivot is here, but it would be shattering it. So just got to be careful. I think it's gonna do a break to the upside to fake people out. Just to fake people out. I mean, not that it's not gonna go up, but it's gonna temporarily go up, retest some of these, and then completely pull down hard. So overall trend is bearish, guys. Overall trend is bearish. So if you guys have any questions, don't understand something, feel free to let me know. Make sure you hit that like button, please. If you enjoy the content, the education, the entertainment, whatever it is, please hit the like button. Subscribe if you haven't already. And thank you again. Tricky long. Tricky. If you do take a long here, I mean, there has been a lot of wicks to the downside, so this technically is an inversion. It's just needs to break right through it. Yeah, we have EMA 50 and VWAP right here, guys. So yeah, no, I'm not taking that long. Nope. Y'all could do it if you want. I'm not. It could rip. It continue to rip to VWAP. So I just don't want to take that chance where it completely rips to the downside. Overall trend is bearish, guys. This could just be a retest. There's the swing high up here and EMA 50, so it might want to get up here. It's tapping VWAP here. Let's see. Yeah, it was a nice little sweep. Again, I don't want to take any long until I see something close up here, do a pullback, and then continue. It's just a lot of resistance. A lot of resistance to the upside. Nice ripper. Nice ripper. How many points was that? Let's see. Let's see if we would have taken a long. Oh shit. 32 points. That's pretty nice. 32 points so far. It went up to. Auto trail still wouldn't be kicked in, so it would have to get to the swing high. Oh, there it goes. Still same height. I think it's gonna go higher for sure. It's a shooting star on the 1 hour. There it goes. Ooh, tapped EMA 50. Yep, auto trail would have kicked in right there. Would have been at break even. Yeah, I mean, this happens, guys. I just honestly, this is probably the 1 time out of 9 times that it wins or does enough pump for me. But most of the time, I don't like taking a breakout into VWAP or EMAs like this. Doesn't work out too well. Yeah, got up to 43 points and completely tapped EMA 50 and is pulling all the way back down to the entry if you would have been in a long when it broke out. Let's see what happens. It tapped VWAP on ES. Be careful, guys. Be careful. Could be a fake out. Maybe. You never know. So it tapped EMA 50, swing high, and a VWAP and the VWAP. So that was that push down on ES. We still got VWAP up here on NQ, so might want to tap this swing high, maybe even retest VWAP on NQ before it picks a real direction. But this was a nice V shape, right? When it inverts this right here, I mean, the resistance was scary at this moment right here. But you never know. You never know. Anybody take this breakout to the upside? If you did, put it in the chat. Probably made a few bucks. I just didn't like it. That's the only reason I didn't take it. Even though I'm just trading an eval, 1 micro, it's not a high quality trade for me. A breakout into VWAP is not ideal. You either want to be above the VWAP, you want the VWAP under, and then it's breaking to the upside. If it's on top, you want it to break to the downside. It's just, you want that confluence and that momentum. There it goes. It tapped the swing high and EMA 50. So total of, if you take that long at the break, 53 points, guys. That's TP. ATR is at 50.55. This thing is ripping. Be careful here, guys, though. 53 points is oof. Oof. It keeps going. Yeah, long there would have just been too risky for me, guys. All right, complete tap of VWAP now, guys. So be careful. This could update and come down lower. So be very careful here. And it hit the swing high. So there could be a pretty strong pullback. Let's see, let's see. Oh man. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. Make sure you hit that like button. Thank you. Yeah, that shit hit 62 points. So the long there would have worked beautifully. It broke out here with confluence. It's just, I didn't like the breakout into VWAP, guys. That's all. Not to say that it doesn't work. Like I said, this is probably the 1 time out of 9 times that it works. It just usually it doesn't work well. It usually will bounce real quick and then completely rip to the downside. Yeah, gotta be careful here. Let's see what the 1 hour looks like. Yeah, it looks like it's running out of steam again. Let me pull up. Sorry, you can look at a Porsche for a minute. There we go. Yup. This thing is going down. It's going down.
Tactical nuke incoming!
It's being rejected off VWAP on ES right here. This red line is VWAP. It's not purple like on NQ. Could be a retest of orb and then continue going up. That's not impossible. That is not impossible. Or retesting EMA 21 to then pop up. Like, it's between all these EMAs right now, man. I like it to start like kind of breaking away from them a little bit. Not too much, because then it's overextended, but a nice little sweet spot. Good morning, Buckaroo. Good morning. Good morning. There is orange folder at 10 a.m. so be careful, guys. Not that it might move the market, might not even do anything, but might do something. This might be a retest. It might be a continuation. It might rip up. Right now, it's very, very undecided. Let's see what happens. Ugh. Sorry about the yawning. Now maybe the bulls are in play, guys. It's possible. All right, let's see what happens. Is it going to continue going up, or is it going to flush to the bottom now? Overall trend is bearish on the higher time frames. 1 hour time frame. Let's see. Came from down here all the way back up to VWAP. We got the new 10 a.m. candle opened up. If that wants to go above, then we might start looking for longs. It's possible. If you took the breakout of orb, you are in super early. But yeah, I mean, I needed to be above VWAP before I start looking for longs, and then retest VWAP, make sure it still wants to go up, you know. Might take a while. This might take a while. All right, it looks like it got very close to VWAP on NQ there. Let's see how it reacts. Let's see if it wants to get closer or it's gonna reject completely. All right. Major pump, man. I'll say if you took that long and you're still in it and you hung in there, worked out, man. It worked out for you. Say this was the breakout right here. $70 points, guys. That's more than enough to be done for the day at 10 a.m. I just didn't feel confident about a breakout. I thought it was going to be a fake out. This shit does this, then completely rips to the downside. I've seen it happen. I'm sure some ICT trader took the long right here when it inversed this. Long right here, boom. Ugh. Just staying patient, waiting for a good setup, guys. I just, I didn't like the breakout into VWAP or the EMAs like that. It's been getting rejected off those EMAs every time it taps them. Tapped, rejection, tap, rejection. It tapped it here, didn't reject. Maybe it went to retest VWAP, then rejection. That's, and then we also have EMA 200 here. So just tricky spots to go long. I'd rather look for a short. I don't even like shorts, but I'd rather look for a short. Look at this. It's starting to reject off VWAP on the 1 hour and on the 5 minute. So let's see how far it goes. See if it inverses this right here. If it closes inside orb, strong chance it's going down. But let's see what happens. There is a imbalance right here. Imbalance here, imbalance here, imbalance here. So I wouldn't doubt that it wants to fill that, or maybe come all the way up here to EMA 50 to then continue coming down. It's not impossible. It's another theory. This, I think, would have been, hold up, was this, no, that would have, I think that would have hit TP, honestly. That probably would have hit TP. Oh well. Wait for another opportunity. Sometimes you gotta be patient, guys. Sometimes you gotta be patient. It's having a lot of struggle there at VWAP. A lot of struggle to get higher. So that was my concern overall. So the struggle that it's gonna have to get through all that. It still could push right through it if enough bulls step in. Yep.
1 hour later.
A little boring sometimes. That's trading. That's profitable trading. Boring. It's not always exciting, guys. Sometimes you're just waiting for the setup. Sometimes you're just waiting. Or
let's go gambling! Aw, dang it! Aw, dang it! Aw, dang it!
or if you're not patient you're just gambling and getting cooked. Or you could cook too, but most of the time you'll get cooked. All right, is this thing gonna tactical nuke to the bottom or what?
Tactical nuke incoming!
Let's see. When I do a reverse orb. Yeah, I mean, if this red candle closes inside, which it has 7 seconds, I don't think that's gonna happen. Maybe just a pullback and maybe it keeps going, or maybe it'll just flush. We'll see. Oh shit, there it goes. Let's see how this goes. Struggling. It's struggling to go lower, man. I mean, again, like I said earlier, the overall downtrend is to the downside. Could chop around here. Hopefully it just, you know, goes for this swing low right here. Yeah. I don't know. But this is a pretty strong shooting star right here. So, could flip. Look at it. There it goes. It's flipping. It's a tricky spot, man. Tricky spot. Trying to go long at VWAP when VWAP hasn't been tested. Every time it was tested, tap, push down, tapped it here, couldn't go higher, push it down. You know, might want to fill this and then come down. I don't know. This thing's ripping now. Oh shit. This is gonna be a green giant? Ain't no way. Ain't no way.
Green giant.
It just flipped the script on us. Alright, if this gets completely pushed down, then guys, this does not want to get above VWAP. Let's see. Let's see what happens. Alright. Give me 1 second, I'll be right back. I'm gonna get a coffee while this thing decides what it wants to do. All right. I'm back. Relax. What's happening? What's happened? Absolutely nothing. Nothing has happened. That was a perfect break. Just watch this shit go sideways. Is it gonna come down eventually? Because the overall trend is bearish, guys. So that's what I'm waiting for. Obviously, it hit a lot of buyers here, but maybe not enough. A lot of damn sellers. They were waiting for that pop so they could sell. Oh, patience. That's the only way. The moment you're impatient is the moment you get cooked. Yes, Dunkin' Donuts, iced coffee. Yeah, I needed that. All right. Anybody take any trades yet? Or is anybody stuck in this chop zone? This thing is, it gave us one trade yesterday. Listen, this was a good trade though. This breakout right here, it wasn't an A+ setup because you have all these resistance. And that's another reason why I didn't take the long. But it got up to 60 points, guys. This thing hit at least 60 points. I just didn't measure it. I should have measured. But whatever. We're gonna wait. The better trade is a short. The better trade is a short, I think. Since the trend is going down. You have more momentum. I was long, made 168. Let's go, buddy. Let's go. Where did you take your long at? What number? Down here at 24,457? Did you take the breakout? Or did you take this inversion right here at 24,433? When did you take the long? Or did you wait for it to tap EMA 21? What made you take the long? Just to understand your thought process. Those 4 long green bars. The 4 long green. Okay, yeah. Oh, you got all 4? You took a long from down here? That's wild. You gotta. Can you send pictures? I want to see this. No, were you looking here? 24,398. 24,398. Okay, right here. Damn, son. Are you trading on a lower time frame? Yeah, you have to be trading at lower than 5 minutes. That's all I could think of. Let's see. 24,398. 24. Or are you trading off the pivots? You know, I don't know. I'm trying to understand your strategy. That's all. This looks like it's gonna close into orb, guys. Might want to go lower now. I might take a short on the eval, one micro. If this closes strongly to the downside here, overall trend is bearish. right, 1 minute and 14 seconds. If this closes strongly, let's see how we're looking on ES. Yeah, it's looking super strong to the downside now. I might take a short. Just the overall trend, guys, till the bottom of orb, maybe less than that. I might get chopped out, but we'll see. I'm just gonna do 1 micro, nothing crazy. ATR is 53, guys, so be very careful. All right, we're gonna do a sell market. I'm gonna do a sell market. You don't have to do anything. This is not financial advice. All right, here's a little something for the day. It could bounce and jump, but whatever. I'm willing to take the risk.
Order filled.
All right, let's see what it does. Let's put this right here. 130, 34. It's a 1-to-1. Let's see what happens. Took a short at the close of this candle. Kind of rejected off VWAP here, showing a lot of bearish momentum to the downside. I'm not even aiming to the swing low, guys. I'm good with this right here. This is actually kind of where the support pivot is. There we go. Let's see if we could get a nice little drop. Can we get a drop? Oh yeah, nice.
Tactical nuke incoming!
So we need a tactical nuke. I just put it up here to give it a little bit more wiggle room since the ATR is 54. But if it does come back here, it'll invalidate the short. So a pretty strong rejection off VWAP, guys. Overall trend is bearish. Let's see if it goes lower or if it chops me out. We'll see. Back in the green, back in the red. All right, here we go. Here we go. Dump it. Let's get it. Shorts, Lauren. Shorts. Shorts are in play. Here we go. I know, I'm just doing 1 micro. We're just, trying to protect profits. Guys, the only thing you can control is your risk and if you take a trade. That's the truth. You can't decide if it's gonna win or lose. Just gotta go off your studies. All right, we've been patient. I've been waiting for it to tap here, show me a rejection. It tapped. It didn't go higher, didn't inverse this. So I'm looking for the short, and here we are. You guys could close it out at 50 bucks, or if you did more contracts, right now you'd be up 100 if you had 2, 150 if you did 3. You guys can close it whenever you want. I'm gonna hold this all the way to 134, or until auto trail if it pops right back up. Let's see what happens. Let's see how ES is looking over here. ES is going for that swing low, I think. Let's go. Flush it. Flush it. Let's go. Let's fucking go, David. Let's go. Hey, you guys can close it whenever you want. So if this thing flips right back up, don't say I didn't tell you. It could. Anything is possible. I'm just going to hold it, see if it plays out. That's it. I think it's going to play out. So I'm just going to leave it. Let it ride. There it goes. 72. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Don't do it. Don't play around. Just flush. Flush. Let's see what 1 hour is doing. Playing with us. I'm gonna hold it, guys. I'm gonna hold it. Win or lose. I think it wants to go lower. It could chop. It could turn into chop. I told you guys you could close it whenever you wanted, but so it didn't hit my 40 points, so it is what it is. Let's see. Ruler. Damn, so close to hitting auto trail, guys. It was at 30. It hit 37. If it hits 40 points, my auto trail kicks in. So it might do it now. Hopefully. Hopefully it flushes. Just gotta stay patient, guys. Gotta stay patient. I need it to go just a little lower for auto trail to kick in, and you start hearing that cha-ching, cha-ching. It might pop here and then put me into chop, but you know, overall trend is bearish, so most of the time I was just looking for shorts. I just waited for it to tap VWAP and show me a strong rejection. Now if it wants to come up again and tap VWAP, dude, yeah, I don't want to be in that, obviously. Yeah, here we go again. I guess the buyers are chilling right there. All right, come on. Come on. What's ES doing? Yeah, you need to keep going down, man. You need to keep coming down. Not good. Right back into drawdown. Yeah, I mean, if it pops all the way back up again, then shit, cooked. Looks like the trend wants to retest VWAP. I don't know. We do have EMAs right here. EMA 200. We got EMA 21. EMA 21 right here too. So, oof, that's a lot of speed. Oh my god. That's a lot of speed back up, guys. Oh. Wow. Wow. They really stepped in. The buyers completely reversed this shit. Okay. That's wild. Well, I think I lost this trade, guys. One moment we're good. I told you guys could close it, but I guess we got a ridiculous bounce. Insanity. That's crazy. We got a Peter Pan in reverse. This thing flipped from being completely bearish to almost a shooting star now. Massive green giant. Massive green giant. Well, still in the game for now. Oh, you closed it at 150? Great job. Great job. I told you guys to close it, you know, like this could happen. This could happen. Yeah, man. Yeah. You know, it is what it is. Let's see. Let's see what happens here. It did tap EMA 50 here. Hopefully it gets pushed right back down, but it did inverse this little gap here, so that's not a good indicator. We got a minute and 20 seconds to see how this candle closes. Hopefully it just flushes down again, but I don't know. Maybe somebody tweeted. Oh, it's a wrap. Oh, it's a wrap. It's going. It's going to retest VWAP, I think. Or maybe fill this imbalance here. Yeah. Didn't get the whole low that I wanted. Completely ripped. ATR 53, guys. So this would completely invalidate that short. Yeah, there we go. Once it taps this, is game over. Could happen any second now. Yep. Yep. Nah, this is crazy. That was a massive green giant.
Green giant.
Murdered me. The green giant killed me.
Stop filled.
Stop filled.
Wow. Got him. Anyways, I only did one micro. No biggie. Still green on the week. Yeah, let's see how it reacts. I'm interested to see how it reacts to VWAP again. Now watch, it goes all the way down. Crazy ass candle, man. Crazy ass candle, man. Well, if you guys closed when I told you, you would have closed it at like 50 points, at least $50 or more. Let's see if anything else presents itself, but the one that counts is this one, the funded account. This is the eval, and we're still green, guys, so we're fine. But if this thing closes even stronger, yeah, it might wanna, if it inverses this right here, yeah, this thing might want to just go to the moon. Let's see how it reacts to VWAP here, man. Crazy ass green candle. This shit just might do this all day. Just go right all day, just killing everybody. Wasn't a terrible short, it just didn't deliver completely. Super close. It was at 37 points. If it would have hit 40 points, I would have just broken even. That's crazy. I would have just broke even like at $5 or whatever. Oh man, what are you gonna do? There was news. I mean, it's possible. I mean, that would make sense if there was news. That's probably what got me. Right back down. Let's see. Let's see. No, there was no, at least nothing that was, yeah, there was nothing that was on the, this could be new news, but right back down. It just went up there to tap me out, guys. That's all it did. It just went up there to tap me out of the trade. It goes right back down again. Insane. You gotta love it. All right, Let's see what it does now. If it completely rejects that green giant, yo, it just did that to play with me. It's like, oh, David's in the trade, take him out, and then we're gonna go down again. Look at this. Yo, this is crazy right now. Right back into orb? No way. Look at this. Complete rejection. Complete rejection. Yo, that's crazy. That's crazy. What the hell kind of candle was that, dude? That's another rejection. Straight off VWAP. Straight rejection. I don't think it wants to come up there again. So, I'm going to take one more trade. Just, let's see. Let's see how this goes. We're still going to take the short. And if it really wants to pop me out, then pop me out then.
Order filled.
Let's
Order
go.
filled.
Let's go. Let's see. Is it really going to chop me out, or we're going to do this? And we're going to do this. Don't chop, please. Don't chop. Just dump a little more. I'm going to do... No way, dude. No way. Come on. Get down there. No way. Now it's just playing around, bro. This shit is completely playing games. Yo, this is crazy, dude. Oh my god, now they're like, let's chop it up. Let's chop it right back up. Oh my god. Yo, there venga. Wow, ATR 60, guys. So make sure you have enough wiggle room. Come on, man. Let's go. Let's go. We're gonna sell one right at the bottom of this damn. Oh shit. Not 3. 1. I'm gonna sell one right here. No, I took a sell, so it's a buy, sorry.
Order submitted.
Then the next one right here.
Order submitted.
Let's do that. This shit better dump, bro. Stop playing around. Come on. Stop playing with me. Alright, well, coffee's done. Now this shit rips right back up. Yo, que cosa más grande. Just get a quick sweep down and then do whatever you want, bro. Alrighty. Can we get a nuke to the bottom now? Let's nuke it. Let's go. Nuke to the bottom. Come on. 1 minute and 50 seconds on this candle. We need a nice little flush, please. Oh my gosh. Flush it. Flush it. Flush it. What's ES doing, man? ES be playing around. Come on, flush it. That's a quick flush. crazy. Crazy, crazy. I'm telling you. There we go. Finally, man. Let's go. Oh my goodness, dude. The torture. Just, it's not delivering for anything, man. For anything. This is just insane. Come on, flush it. Oh my god, bro. Here we go again. Bro, can the Bulls go to lunch? Can they go to lunch or something early? Just tell them to step away for a minute. They'll get better prices. They could buy at a lower price if they just go to lunch. Stop buying. Come on. Come on. Oh my god. There we go. 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 No, no. Yo, is somebody speaking? I'm not watching the news, guys. But this is moving very erratic. Is Trump on the TV or something? This thing is moving crazy right now. Just need a quick little swipe of the bottom. Quick little swipe. Nothing crazy. Just a little swipe. Come on. Come on. Come on. There we go. There we go. Let's get one. Let's just get one. Come on. Come on. I know you can do it. There we go. 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 Come on. It's a little bit more. Little bit more. There you go. There you go. Let's go. Just a little bit more. Flush it. Flush it. Flush it. Oh my god, dude. It's just... this is torture. This is legit torture, man. Oh my god. Bro, it's like the buyers are right there, man. Look at this shit, man. Dude, I can't even get one sold. One contract sold. This is crazy. Not good. Not good at all. I don't even know. Of course, the moment I enter the trade, that's when it decides it wants to chop. Come on, let's just get a nice swipe to the lows. I'm not even asking for the bottom of orb or anything. I'm just the bottom of the previous third candle. Nothing crazy on the 5-minute time frame. Come on. Let's go. Oh Lord. Come on, there you go. Oh, so close. So close. Come on. There you go. There you go. There you go. Flush it. Flush it. Oh my god. Bro. This is crazy. It's not doing it, dude. Oh my god, bro. That is... Look at this shit, bro. Look at this. I'm not asking for much. This is crazy right now. This could go either way at this point, man. 1 minute. 1 minute until this candle closes. What is it gonna do? God knows. Crazy, crazy. Right back up again, bro. Right back up to the bullshit. This is crazy. Right back down. Of course, I entered the chop zone. What time is it? 10:50. It really has been on some bullshit, man. Did this crazy green candle to the upside, and now it's gonna go right back up again. Incredible. What's the 1 hour candle doing? It doesn't know what to do. Oh, we got 10 minutes until the 1 hour candle closes. Oh Lord. Oh wow. Yeah, to the moon. To the moon. This thing is going. Insanity. You gotta laugh. You gotta laugh. This is insanity, man. Ay, ay, ay. Super chop, super chop. Wow, man. Yeah. Yeah, now this thing's gonna pop to the moon. Insanity. Just won't. I don't get it, dude. I honestly don't get it. ATR is 60, guys. 60. So, yeah. Whoa. Look at that reaction. As soon as it tapped VWAP, look at that reaction. It just went pop, 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 pop. Whoa. That's crazy. Something's going on. Crazy ass chop. This is chop to the max. This could go either way, guys. The way this is super undecided, it could go either way. Cooked. Come on, can we get a flush? For the love of God. All right, 30 seconds left on this candle. And then we got 5 more minutes, and then the 11 o'clock 1 hour candle will open. That's going to be the deciding factor of what happens, I think. Okay. Let's see what happens here. Wow. This thing's just destroying anybody. If you would have taken a long there, you would have ripped to the bottom. Look at this. I don't even know. I don't even know, guys. This is just wild. What a wild roller coaster right now. Hopefully it works out in my favor. Oh Lord, this is just completely undecided which way it wants to go. Nah, it wants to go up. Nah, it wants to go down. I don't even care what happens anymore. It's just bouncing between all the VWAP, EMA 50, and EMA 21. It's just bouncing between all of them. Let's see what ES is doing. Yeah, it's just bouncing at the top of orb. Not good. Yeah, it's probably gonna tap me out. One minute and 50 seconds. If I lose this trade, guys, I'm done. We'll come back tomorrow and make another game plan. But this week has been rough, obviously. This shit has been rough. There it goes to the fucking moon now. This is wild. It does not want to deliver in any direction. In any direction. 40 seconds. Let's see what happens. Wow. A doji? No way. It's gonna close as a doji? Wow, a doji. Pretty much a doji. Wow, crazy. Look at this. The bulls are not giving up, man. The bulls really are not giving up. They're like, nah, we're not going to lunch. You go to lunch. The chop is real, guys. The chop is real. Wow, chop for like 2 days. Then we got a little move. It did chop the rest of the day, and then now it's chopping. I waited too long, maybe. Come on, let's get a flush. This is so far looking all right. Right now it's looking all right because it does look like a hammer on the 5 minute. Let's see what 1 hour is looking like. Let's see, hopefully it flushes just a little bit, enough to fill some of my damn orders, man. Enough to fill the orders. Let's go. Let's go. Flush it, flush it, flush it. Let's go. Oh, right back up. It's like it's scared. Scared to go down. Look at that, man. Wow. Wow. Put a buy stop.
Order submitted.
If it hits there, at least we'll close one so we don't get completely murdered. Yep. Yep, yep. There's your chop. There's your chop, guys. Ay, ay. Well, there it goes. Looks like I'm cooked again with the chop. ATR is 56. Wow. Just tapped VWAP again. And now it might rip through it just because it's tapped it only 100 times already. They're probably tired. There it goes. Gonna rip right through that stop. Yeah, VWAP has to be exhausted already.
Order filled.
Stop filled.
Okay, there goes the next one. And
Order
Stop
canceled.
filled.
wow, that was quick. Alrighty, not good. We're down $100 now. Yeah. Nah, man, I'm not gonna trade anymore. Tomorrow we'll get the $100 back on the eval. We're still up on the week. 390 on the account that counts. This is an eval. It's all good. But it's just, man. Look at this chop. And then it broke VWAP after it's been rejecting VWAP all damn day. Crazy. I don't know, guys. This week has been insane. Oh, man. Well, we're still up about $300 for the week. For the funded account, because I only did eval. So, yeah. If you had an opportunity here when I took this short to close it early. It hit about 37 points, so you could definitely close that out. And the last trade I took, right, was right here. I figured it closed under, rejected, was gonna go lower, and it didn't. It just chopped around, showed like it wanted to, tried a little bit, didn't go, tapped, got rejected again, and it finally I'm telling you, the bulls were not giving up. The bulls were not giving up. So I was like, go to lunch, guys. They just kept pushing it. So now we have like a change of character from what I can see here. Yeah, it filled that imbalance. This thing might want to shoot to the moon now. Well, we're gonna have to find out in 50 minutes, which I'm not gonna do. I'll just wait for tomorrow. I'll just wait for tomorrow till it figures out what it wants to do. Shorts, we're just not shorting. We're not shorting today. Yeah. Even though the trend was down, I guess it hit a critical support pivot, just really pushed it higher up, man. So yeah, we are down 97 just on the eval. Still up overall on the week on the funded account. I didn't trade that one. I didn't copy trade today, so on purpose. Risk management, guys. Risk management is key. Look at the sweep, man. Look at that sweep. Insanity. Yeah. No more trades. No more trades. Yeah. Tomorrow's another day. Another day tomorrow. Let's stay disciplined. We'll come back tomorrow and we'll get the $97. You know, that's not difficult to do. If the market doesn't have such a damn high ATR, we could actually, you know, control the trade a little bit. But these swings are insane. These swings are very intense. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys tomorrow, 9 a.m. Same time. Tomorrow is Friday, right? Yeah, tomorrow's Friday, last day of the week. We'll shoot to get this back to the green. Kind of lost the profits I made on it yesterday, but that's okay. You know, didn't take a. I think this trade here wasn't bad. It just didn't completely deliver, and then this trade here just, I don't know. Honestly, I don't know. It just chopped around. The chop got us again, guys. I'm sure I'm not the only one who got the chop got. But anyways, we controlled the risk, and we're only down 97, which I'm good with that. You guys have a great rest of your day. I'll see you guys tomorrow. And peace.